Right, good afternoon again one more time. So now eighth topic, equipotential surface. Here we are having three topics. One is definition of equipotential surface and second one properties of equipotential surface and third one draw a equipotential surfaces by point charge, uniform electric field and dipole, two identical positive charges. Right, first one, definition. What is the definition of electric equipotential surface? Equipotential surface. A surface having same potential at all points is called equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. That is the definition. Right, man. Listen, very important topic this one. So gunshot, one more question mark this one. Define equipotential surface. Equipotential surface are properties or else diagram. Any one question definitely will come from this topic. Right, what is the meaning of equipotential surface? That means equipotential surface means wherever you see on the surface the potential is same. That is known as equipotential surface. For example, our earth also equipotential surface. Wherever you see the equipotential is same. That's what our earth surface also example for what is that equipotential surface. Alright, okay. For example, here I will consider positive charged body. This is the positive charged body. So positively charged body. Positively charged body is release positive lines, mean electric field lines. It can use electric field lines. Correct, ma? So for example, if I say this is the uniform electric field. Uniform electric field means, so wherever you see electric field is same. Okay, electric field like equal electric field like this is uniform electric field lines. Right, okay. So now I can select one region here. This is the one region. This is the another region. Okay, now at this point I can draw one plate. Here also I can draw one plate. Okay, this is the plate. That means, so this is the electric field lines. This is the plate. Now field lines is going in this direction. Yes. Can hit here. Yes or no? Can passes through my hand. Which one? Electric field lines. Correct or not? Okay. Say once. So that means the distance we have to observe there. This distance. From here to here, same distance will be there. At same distance. The distance is same, mean between potential is same. Yes or no? Correct? yesterday I given formula. What is that? V is equal to K into Q by R. That means V is inversely proportional to distance. Inversely proportional to distance. For example, here from this is the more positive. From here to here, more potential will be there. Again, from here to here, less potential will be there. Here, for example, here 80 volt is there. In here, 60 volt will come. Again, 40 volt will come. Again, 20 volt will come. So we'll going. That side is. So what is that? Sir, you wrote what I wrote. I wrote the wrong. Sir, you wrote directly proportional. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, what is that? The distance can increase mean the potential should be decreased. That's what an important point. Remember, along the direction of electric field. Along the direction of electric field. The electric field can increases. The direction of, the length of, the direction of electric field increases. The length of electric field is increases. Then potential should be decreased. Potential should be decreased. That is the relation. Which one? The electric field and potential relation. Electric field and potential. Correct? So electric field is going this side. Potential can act this side. Both are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. Remember that one also. Electric field and potential both are in opposite direction. So electric field acting this side means potential is acting this side itself. Okay. So now field lines are going like that only. So this is the one plate. One plate. So for example, I will consider here and here and here and here and here and here. So like that only. So at this point potential is V. At this point potential is V. Why? Because from here distance is R. Distance is R. Distance is R. Distance how much? Same distance. Distance is same mean at this point the potential is the same. Correct or not? At this point potential is the same. On this plate, wherever you see, the potential is the same. Is it correct or wrong? Is it correct or wrong? Wherever you see, here, potential is the same. Correct, man? Are you following that right? Potential is same. Correct, right? Why? Because the distance is same, distance will be there. You know formula, V is proportional to 1 by R. Inversely proportional to R. Very good. Then next, the distance from here to here. Again, here I will consider here. And this point. So this is the V dash and V dash and V dash. So from here to here distance is something R dash and R dash and R dash. Are you clear? From here to here R dash. From here to here R. That means this is a plate number 1 and plate number 2. On the plate number 1, wherever you see, the potential is same. And plate number 1, wherever you see, potential is same. But here difference will be there. Here potential V1 is equal to 80 mean. Here potential is V2 is equal to 60 will be there. Therefore V1 minus V2 is equal to 20 will be there. That means these two plates, between two plates, potential difference will be there. But on this point, wherever you see, the potential is same. That is known as equipotential surface. That means this total surface, remember, on this surface is known as equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. Right? That is the definition. A surface having same potential at all points is called an equipotential surface. That is the one example. This is the example number 1. For what purpose? Uniform electric field purpose. Uniform electric field purpose. Right. One more example I will give you. One more example. So that is the point charge purpose I will give you. Point charge. That is concentric circles. Right. Concentric circles. Okay. So for example here I have positive point charge. Positive charge. Right. Around this point I can draw one circle with the same radius. Wherever you see the radius is same. R. Okay. Wherever you see that is the R itself. Right. At this point, potential is V, potential is V. Correct? That means this surface is known as equipotential surface. Right? One more circle I can draw. So, one more circle with a different radius. So now, wherever you see at this point, same radius. Here, second circle is the potential V dash, and V dash, and P dash. Correct? So that means on the second surface, this is the second surface. For example here, so how much potential I will consider? 80 I will take, mean here how much I will consider? 60 volt will come. So the distance can increase, mean the potential should be decrease. Again one more circle, like that. So I can draw, so for example like that itself. First circle, second circle, third circle, fourth circle. Correct? Like that itself. So from here to here, same charge, same potential, and same potential here. Wherever you see on this surface, potential is same. That type of surfaces are called equipotential surface. That's it. This is the information about equipotential surface. Alright? Okay. Now second one. What is the second question? Properties of equipotential surfaces. What are the properties? So how many properties are there? So many properties are there. So we will discuss some properties. Alright. So first property number 1. So what is that? No work is done. No work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surface. This is the properties of equipotential surfaces. And the second one, so electric field always normal to the and equipotential surface. Okay. So now two equipotential surfaces never intersect each other. Okay, the potential difference between 2 points on the equipotential surface is always 0. This point you can remember. So like that I have given 4 points. Very important points. Is a property. Any 3 properties you can write it enough in examination. Okay na? So properties of equipotential surface. First one I will give this point. Potential difference between 2 points on the equipotential surface is always 0. Right? Okay. For example, what is that meaning, sir? So now this is the one of a equipotential surface. Which is having same potential on this area. Wherever you see on this area, here and here, wherever you see, the potential is same. That is known as equipotential surface. Correct or not? Right. Now I will consider here, this is the one point, this is the another point. At potential is VA, this is the at point A, at point B, this is the potential is VB. The difference between these two potentials, so at A, potential is VA, at B, potential is VB. Then delta V is equal to VA minus VB. We know that here VA is equal to VB. Correct? Wherever you see, the potential is same. So that's what here. So what happened? It becomes 0. It becomes 0. Correct? For example, here one charge will be there here. Q0 we want to bring from here to here. We want to bring B to A or else A to B. Required work done is equal to how much? Correct? What is the potential? The amount of work done to bring the charge from one point to another point. Potential difference. Correct? So now here test charge will be there. One charged particle is the surface only. That means completely. So charge will be there. Here this is the positive charge. This is the given field lines. Yes or no? Field lines. That means a charge can occupy. Now here some small charge. We want to bring from B to A. Required work done is equal to how much? That is the potential difference. Correct? So potential difference. Work done is equal to VA minus VB divided by Q naught? No. So V is equal to W by Q. So W is equal to VA minus VB into Q naught. Correct? The Q naught we want to bring from B to A. So then how much work done is required? Yes, work done is equal to VW by Q naught. W is equal to V into Q naught. Correct or not? There. VA minus VB how much? 0. Therefore 0 into Q naught to 0. Correct? That means no need to work anything. Why? Because potential is same. That's what, no need to do any work. The work done is equal to 0. That's what this point. What is that? No work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surface. No work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surface. Are you clear the 2 points? There is no need to work. Work is zero. No work means zero work. Potential difference between 2 points on the equipotential surface is always zero. The 2 points are finished. Alright, very important points for this and that. Alright, next second point. What is the meaning of second point? Second point is electric field always normal to the an equipotential surface. Yes, correct only. So correct only. So this one here, what is that? Equipotential surface. So now this is the electric field lines. Electric field lines. These are the electric field lines. Correct? This is the surface. This is the surface. Is the electric field lines is going like that only. Then theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to how much? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Correct or wrong? Yes, 90 degrees. Correct? That's what always electric field lines perpendicular to the equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. Alright, equipotential surface. That is that point. Next one. So, third point. Two equipotential surfaces never intersect each other. Never intersect each other. Why sir never intersect? If it is intersect mean what would be happen? If it is intersect mean what would be happen? Right. For example here I will consider two equipotential surfaces. This is the first surface. So electric field is acting in this direction. Is the electric field. This is the surface. Is the surface. Now another field, another sheet, equipotential surface I will consider. This is the surface. Now electric field lines is acting in this direction. Is the electric field lines. So now then what happened? So I will consider both are intersect. If I consider both are intersect, mean this is the first plate. Okay, this is the second plate. Is the second plate. First plate and the second plate. So first plate, electric field in which direction? In this direction. Second plate, electric field in this direction. This is the E and E. So this is impossible. At the same point, two directions, two electric field lines, two directions are not possible. That is wrong. Correct? Never possible two electric field directions at the same point. At the same point, two electric field directions is not possible. That is the wrong. That's what two plates are do not intersect. Do not intersect. Are you clear? So this is the equipotential surface about properties and definition. Right. Next, last question. What is the last question? Draw a. Okay, na? Diagrams. So diagrams. Draw equipotential surfaces. Draw equipotential surfaces. First one is a positive point charge. A positive point charge. It's a very important diagram for this one. Like electric field lines. Like electric field line, this question. Okay. So this is called, we can call concentric circle. Concentric circle or sphere. Concentric sphere. Right? Concentric circle. So this is the positive charge. So first circle and second circle and third and fourth, etc. Right? At this point V, at this point V, at this point, at this point is the V1, is the V2, is the V3 and V4. So V1 is greater than, V2 is greater than, V3 is greater than V4. Right? Why? Because you know distance. That is a concentric circle. Point charge. Second one is what is that? An electric dipole. An electric dipole. An electric dipole, right? So electric dipole, you know what is electric dipole? Here negative charge, here positive charge, positive charge. So field lines will go, so positive to negative, correct? So this is the positive, is the negative. Field lines will go from positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative. Right? So positive to negative. Never intersect. Remember, field lines. Field lines never intersect. So this is the direction of electric field lines. From where to where? Positive to negative. Positive to negative. So positive to negative. Right. So now at exactly here. So that is the what is that? Minimum electric field. Why? Because distance like that. This is the exact middle. Correct or not? At middle, this is the positive, this is the negative. So both are cancel out each other. Right. So now equipotential surface is always perpendicular to the field lines. Perpendicular to the field lines. So here this is the first one. Yes. Right. Yes. First circle. Next is second circle. Right. Next third. Next fourth. You can observe here. So here, so minimum density will be there. Here maximum density. Why sir maximum? These lines are attracted by negative charges. Negative charges. Here also. So more distance here. More distance. Like that one. Right? That is the dipole equipotential surface. Dipole equipotential surface. Here, so what is that? Density is maximum, the density is minimum, like that one. Right. Next, third one. Third one is, so two identical positive charges. Two identical positive charges. Okay. So now I will consider here positive charge. Here also positive charge. Positive charge. Remember. So this one both are okay. I can draw field lines first. Field lines. Right? Field lines moving away from together, each other. Away from each other. So like that. Correct, positive, both are repelled on it. Both are repelled each other. Okay, now circle. So first circle, here also first circle. Next, here also second circle. Right, next third. So third. Next. So what happened here? Next, both are repelled. Both are repelled like that itself. Both are repelled. So this is here is a minimum. Right, you can observe there. Your density is minimum. Your density is maximum. So opposite only. Your density is maximum. Your density is minimum. Density is minimum. Like that we can draw diagram. Okay, last and final diagram. Last and final diagram. Fourth one. Uniform electric field lines. Uniform electric field line, not required field. Right. Okay. So now we will consider as a uniform field lines. Uniform field lines. So just now I have given, right, this one. Right. So now I can draw equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. So again one more. Equipotential surface. So do you want one more mean? One more. One more each. This is right. At this point, the potential is same to the first plate and second plate and third plate. So wherever you see here, potential is same. Alright, this is a potential V1, this is a potential V2, potential V3. So V1 is greater than, V2 is greater than V3. Is the electric field lines.